Big statement by Sushant Singh Rajput's family claiming it is murder, and the earlier statements were recorded by Mumbai police in Marathi and leaked. You heard it first here on India Today by the family lawyer of Sushant Singh Rajput, Vikas Singh. Listen in to what he had to say.
The family is definitely having grave doubt that this is not suicide and this is murder. परिवार को बड़ा गंभीर शक है कि शायद ये सुसाइड नहीं, क्योंकि हमारा जो एफआईआर था वो अबेटमेंट टू सुसाइड था, लेकिन अब जिस तरह की बातें आ रही हैं अब लग रहा है कि शायद ये सुसाइड नहीं, अबेटमेंट टू सुसाइड नहीं बल्कि बहुत गंभीर अपराध शायद मर्डर का है.
Vidya, now this is a very important angle because the family is now claiming that we were made to sign on the statements and it was in Marathi. They do not know Marathi. And what now they're saying is that we felt it was suicide earlier, then abetment of suicide, but now with the kind of, stories that are coming out, evidence that is emerging, it is more increasingly looking like a case of homicide, of a murder as well. And the very big important part that the family has said is that Mumbai police recorded this statement in Marathi and leaked it. What is the Mumbai police's reaction on this? Because now their role is come under the scanner as well.
Well, Mumbai police has very clearly been saying off record, obviously no one has spoken on record as yet, but has spoken to some of the officials and they are very clear that the statement has been recorded with due diligence of the procedure being followed. Yes, the statement is in Marathi and was translated for Supreme Court before the Supreme Court when the papers had to be given. But when the original statement was recorded at that time, neither of the family members actually protested against it being recorded in Marathi, because there are times when Mumbai police has recorded statement in the language of the person if the person so insists. But at this point, yes, it was recorded in Marathi and the family members did not protest, did not lodge any complaint against this at that very point, and they did themselves sign it. They were not forced or anything. Well, at this point, the recording of the statement that had been done by Mumbai police had been lying with them for months now. And until this moment when these statements came in the media, none of the family members at any point had said a word. Mumbai police will certainly clarify on the issue, but it remains to be seen whether they have any evidence to prove their backing of the statement that they were not forced. But also, remember that in this particular case, CBI already has to question many Mumbai police officials who had recorded statements, who were on the crime of the scene. So all these things have to be done as yet in this case, and that's the reason why when we say that this case is as yet on a midpoint, remember there is lots that needs to be done, because Mumbai police officials who, especially DCP rank official who was looking into this entire case when the case was with Mumbai police, is already in quarantine as he and his entire family has tested positive. So it will take a while for the entire recording of and all statements will be done and the interrogation would finish.
All right.